There are two trainers. The first trainer, I asked her, what is your specialization? And she says, I do communication, I do public speaking, I do leadership, I do negotiation skill, I do team building, I do sales and marketing, I do so many. And she ended up giving me a name card, and just on the other side of the name card, I could see minimum 15 topics. Then I asked her, which one is your best and popular topic? She couldn't answer me. She couldn't answer me because she has been a trainer for about 15 years and she don't even know what is her niche. Second trainer, I talked to the second guy and I say, what is your area of specialization? Well, I only do leadership. I do leadership for CEOs, I do leadership for senior managers, I do leadership for managers, I do leadership for executives, I do leadership. I only do leadership. And this guy is a leadership guru. So ladies and gentlemen, when you have two different trainers, one says, I do everything, and the second trainer says, I only do leadership. And I've been doing leadership for the last 10 years. Which one do you believe more? Which one do you have more trust? I believe you will choose the second trainer. Why? Because you can see the second trainer is highly focused in one subject matter. He goes very deep and he goes very wide. He only talks about leadership to different demographics. He talks about leadership to different audience, different market segment. However, it's just on one topic, leadership. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are a trainer and you try to tell the market, I train everything and I train everybody, then nobody can remember you. Because the market have memory problem. They cannot remember you for everything. But certainly the market can remember you for one or two things. So I remember the guy called Billy Lim. Billy Lim, the author of Dare to Fail. He has written this book some 20 years ago. I attended his talk. Until today, when I think of a failure guru, I would think of Billy Lim, because he positioned himself as a failure guru. He goes around and tells everybody, I teach people how to move from failure to success. I talk about failure, I talk about success. And he has written his book, Dare to Fail, and he has printed many different versions of it. So ladies and gentlemen, when you are a professional and you are an expert, you talk about that thing, and one thing only for a long time to different audience. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Jackson Ng and I see you in the next video.